What's up, guys? Over here is midnight, and I just want to let you know that the Mongoose Ledge X2 mountain bike, yeah, you can see it's out of stock, but it is now kind of available. So just keep checking on this one. I think it's gonna be $498 if I'm not mistaken. My buddy over there, Dr. Bike Frankenstein, he just made a short about this real quick, and I just wanted to throw this out there as well. A few of the specs on this one, I know that who did it? Kev Central and Chicken Sandies, they put in 29s on the Otter and the Ledge X1, and they do fit, but this one is already a 29er. But the good thing about this one, as you can see right here, the shock is gonna be different. You now have a cassette, 8-speed cassette, not freewheel. And the shock, what's interesting about the shock is that it looks more like the SR Zone Tour that comes on the XR Pro. So I think this is the XR Pro, baby. So everybody over there, just stay tuned, keep checking Walmart.com, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are gonna get this awesome bike. I wish I can get it. I'm not in the market for that right now, but just wanted to throw it out there. Better spec than the X1. Of course, the slack and everything, but you now have a cassette. You don't need to buy an extra wheel. The fork is way better, entry level, because it actually works. You have the, right there, you have the little knob for the lockout and rebound adjustment right here. So this is gonna be a way better stock. Even though it says Element, I'm pretty sure that's an I'm pretty sure it's a SR Zone Tour, just like the XR Pro, and it looks way more stiffer, aluminum instead of just steel like the other cheap ones from the Adder and the Ledge one. Just wanted to throw this out there. Just keep checking. The price is gonna be $498, and this is gonna be an excellent project bike. That's it for this one, guys. Make sure you check out the other video that I just uploaded about the new bike day, and let's ride. See you on the trails. Goodbye.